vast forest lived a curious little bear named Bobo. Bobo was always filled with a desire to explore everything around him. One day, Bobo came to a clear river at the edge of the forest. He saw the water shimmering with enchanting light and thought, how wonderful it would be to swim around in it. Unable to resist the temptation, Bobo decided to get into the water to learn how to swim. But he forgot one important thing. He didn't know how to swim. As soon as Bobo got into the water, he began to struggle. Fortunately, his friend, the owl Ollie, saw him and immediately flew down, using his wisdom to guide Bobo back to shore. Ollie said to Bobo seriously, "Bobo, playing in the water is very dangerous, especially when you do not know how to swim. You should learn to swim with an adult present and wearing a life jacket." Feeling ashamed, Bobo replied, "Thank you, Ollie. I will remember this lesson and tell the other little animals to be well prepared before learning to swim." From then on, Bobo learned to swim with the company of Papa Bear and always reminded the little animals in the forest to be safe while playing in the water.